Hey folks, just want to share a little story with you guys that watch my channel. I have a good friend of mine that likes to do, his own work, which is fine. And I told him he can always ask me questions and I'll help him out. So he's got a die-hard battery he got from Advance, right? This is just a sample battery. I just put it out here for looks while I talk. But a die-hard battery is a 3-year warranty. It's in its 3rd year now. It's all right. The 2nd year just ended. And the car doesn't start. But the car would start with a jump. Usually when that happens, it's a battery. Okay? Because you're using the jumper cables from another car or from another battery and it starts. So he says he took the car over to Advance, where he bought it from. The guy over there puts 2 meters on it. Okay? The first meter comes up and shows 12.3 volts. Puts another meter in, comes up as 12.8. Okay, now these are supposed to be 12-volt batteries. He told the person that the battery's good. Goes home the next day, doesn't start. Goes back to Advance. Advance tells him to change the battery terminals. So he changed the negative battery terminal, okay, which was it was rusty, but it wasn't broken or anything. But he changed it. Sent me a picture of it. Both terminals. This one was new. This one was a little rusty, but it wasn't corroded, so it was good. So I told him, bring it by me and I'll look at it. He says he couldn't get it started. Now it doesn't even start at all. So okay, so something's definitely wrong. Definitely, if you jump the battery and it starts, that means it went from battery to the 2 terminals into the engine and it started. I still think it's a bad battery. But anyway, I went there with my Milton load tester and I tested the battery. It went right to bed. Okay, so the battery is definitely no good. But I told him to give it a crank and let's see what happens. Gives it a crank and you can see the engine spin like that. So that's good. So if it cranks just a little bit, then at least you know the starter is good. So I gave my little battery pack. I jumped it. The car ran. Checked the alternator. 14.5. Alternator is charging. Got to go back to the battery. So we took the battery out. Last night he took it to Advance. That person didn't even check the battery at all. He just gave him a new battery. Okay? So it all depends on who you work with. Whether you buy it at AutoZone or Advance or the other guys. Okay? You have to load test batteries. You can't just put a meter on it that says it's 12 volts. Because every battery that you walk to, even on the shelf, it's going to show 12 volts or more. You need a load tester, which actually replicates like a cranking of a car. So the starter is going to draw it out. And you want to make sure that the starter is going to hold enough power. And that was what his problem was. All right, so I went and I changed his other terminal on his positive, so he's good to go. And that's it. He went and got his own battery, started right up. So all this trouble for the last week that he was playing with it, going back and forth, is all because the guy at Advance didn't know what he was doing. All right, so cheers, people. Thank you for watching. Ciao.